Flattened. Flattened means made flatter or more level or smooth. Jess enjoyed rolling out the flattened dough. What is something else that can be flattened?
Frantically. To act frantically means to act wildly excited due to worry or fear. The dog was frantically digging up sand. Describe a time when you frantically searched.
Muttered. Muttered means spoken in a low, unclear way. Dan muttered to himself as he read my paper. When might you mutter something instead of saying it loudly?
Gracious. To be gracious means to show kindness and courtesy. Justin's mom is gracious and kind when his friend comes over. What is an antonym for gracious?
Stale. Something can be called stale if it is old or not fresh. Grandfather and Mia threw the hard, stale bread out for the birds to eat. What other kinds of foods get stale?
Official. To be official means to be properly approved or authorized. Signing the contract will make the sale official. What is an example of an official document? Brainstorm. To brainstorm means to solve a problem by having group members all contribute ideas freely. The boys began to brainstorm ideas for their project. Describe a time you had to brainstorm some ideas.
Original. To be original means to do, make, or think of something new or different. Maria's artwork was unique and original. What do you think makes something original?